Is your institution interested in potentially $1.5 billion of upfront capital, a reduction of energy consumption by 25%, or potentially reducing its greenhouse emissions by 35%, then public-private partnerships may be something you're interested in. My name is Brett Garrett, and I'm from The Ohio State University. And I have been involved in helping develop and work through public-private partnerships at Ohio State. A public-private partnership is a program or a contract between a nonprofit organization and a private organization that where the private organization is responsible for the operating the asset, and the nonprofit retains the ownership of the asset. So at Ohio State, we recently consigned our utility plant for approximately $1 billion. So one of the benefits of having a public-private partnership is that private partnership has deeper resources than we would as an institution. We had approximately 60 people impacted by the concession agreement and 60 people focused on delivering utilities. Now we have an organization that has 133,000 employees that are focused on producing and distributing utilities. And they can think of ways to operate our plant in ways that we would never be able to. And so this has proven to be an incredible benefit to The Ohio State University. Now, all of that said, there are risks involved in all of this as well. There are risks in regards to who has control of the asset and who makes decisions on when an investment is made into that asset. All of those things have to be worked out and worked through that contract. And so each contract that is put together is very unique and specific to the organization and the type of assets and the type of work that needs to be done as a part of the contract.